In this video, we are going to see how we can add the clickable links in the YouTube video description. So first of all, if you want to make it as a default, we can do it from the YouTube Studio, but first of all, we need to make sure that the settings are enabled. So let's click on our profile icon and go to the YouTube Studio. From here on our left, we have the settings option. Here we can see it. Just click here and just go to the upload defaults and click on advanced settings. And just go to the channel and click on features eligibility and make sure the advanced features are enabled, because that's what allows you to enter the custom details or the links to the video description. Once that is enabled, just close out of here. And after that, we can just simply go in the video, just open the video, and we can just simply copy and paste the links that we want to add to our video description. And after that, if we see this video and we scroll down, we should be able to see the clickable link right in the description. So that's how it is done. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.